Hi everyone, my name is Igor and I work at a 3D visualization studio at CGI Furniture. We create photorealistic CGI specifically for furniture manufacturers and retailers, so they can launch successful marketing campaigns. If you want to know more about furniture 3D visualization, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow our social media pages. All the links you'll find in the description. Today, we'll talk about how furniture manufacturers can benefit from CGI. Answering this question generally, most of our clients are using product 3D visualization for various marketing campaigns and promotional events. Let me show you. The most common usage of 3D images is product listings on e-commerce websites and advertising. Both of these marketing channels usually require product images on a white background and lifestyles. The first one is perfect for editing and web design, and the second one is ready to catch prospects' attention. The same types of CG visuals works for print and online catalogs. Demonstrating both the furniture piece all alone without any distraction, or the same furniture piece in a suitable environment, such as different interiors. On top of that, manufacturers use catalogs as well as other print materials at different events and trade fairs. There are 3 more ways how manufacturers can use 3D tools in their marketing. First is 360 product view. It allows their prospects to see the product from any angle, from top, from bottom, from sides, from anywhere. The second one is 3D animation. As we all know, videos have more audience coverage on all digital platforms. YouTube, Instagram, just your random video commercials on your website, anywhere. And the third one is 3D configurator. The basic idea of this CG tool is customization for every client. Each client can custom the furniture piece according to their need and taste, using only a website or app. These are the main usages of CGI for promoting and marketing your product. Found it interesting? Come back for more facts and tips on our channel. Bye.